Dude, we've been out here for days. I know, but I just want to look for stuff. Like, right now, I am looking at a bright yellow paddle. I'm not getting it. Can we do rock, paper, scissors? Fine. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, fine. I'll go get it. Oh, it is so cold. Dude, why would you make me do that? Because you spotted it, so it's technically yours to go get. So it is your fault. But we can actually use this as protection. Because this is Thunderstorm Cove, and I mean, the stupid cold is kicking my butt. But we need to be on the lookout for dinosaurs. So we can use this as protection. Yeah, let's go. Hey dude, can I chuck that over here? Yeah, I guess so. Ugh. Okay. Thanks, dude. Okay. I mean, this seems like a good place. I mean, there's big plants for shelter and rocks. Okay, I'm gonna explore up here, dude. Whoa, this is cool. There's like a whole bunch of leaves and stuff back here. We could use this to our advantage. Ooh, thunder. We could use these to our advantage. Just live back here, I guess. I'm just not gonna tell him yet. I'm gonna sleep. And he'll come find me. Where did Jason go? Maybe I should take his paddle and go find him. Okay, he said he was up here. Okay. Okay. Gonna set that there. Jason! Dude! What the heck was that for? What did you do that to me for, dude? I thought you disappeared. Jason, you had me worried. Excuse me. Your cold really is kicking your butt. Lucky me, I don't have one. Shut up, dude. You scared me really bad. I thought you'd gotten eaten by a dinosaur. This is Thunder Cove. As soon as I say that, it starts thundering. Great. Come on. Dude, be quiet. It's a Giganotosaurus. But we need to get some water from the pond. Yeah, we should maybe just watch and see what it does. do you want water out of that pond? So scary. It picked me up. Yeah, but still. Oh, I was so scared. I think I see another. Hold on. I think I see another dinosaur. Indoraptor. And not an Indominus Rex. A Giganotosaurus? This is about us. Maybe we should go. Yeah. Thanks, don't forget our pottery. Okay, let's go.